got one more exciting case study that
Ah,
probably hits a little close to home for you.
yeah, I know this one. Yeah.
Yeah, right? This is an exciting case study that we did for the University of Westminster. Let's take a quick look and chat.
We settled on Q-SYS because of the flexibility that it allows to easily integrate it into a Teams room or a Zoom room. And on this project, we've used NV32s in most of the lecterns and behind most of the screens to distribute all our video and audio through a core. So we've got that audio processing in every space, which allows good quality audio for the students and lecturers in every single space. We've actually deployed over 150 NV32s over the summer. So I think that makes us one of the biggest NV32 projects in the UK. And the feedback we've got from both staff and students has been brilliant. I think the active learning space and the way we've used the Q-SYS ecosystem is really a great model going forward, and we can expand on that, we can build on that. It's hybrid ready and future-proof.
I think if you were in the UK and you were not able to buy an NV32, I think you know who to send an email to.
Now you know why. Yeah.
That is an exciting use of the NV32s. That's actually more NV32s than I've ever heard of in a single installation.
Right, there's a lot. So like you said, there's around 150 NVs in that project. Actually, I think since then they've been adding even more since we made that video. But like, it's really just because they're all in on Q-SYS for the audio and the control and everything else. And the NV's got loads of I/O on it. It does the switching, the encoding, the decoding. So it just means they can put that in every space. And even if right now they don't use all the features of the NV32 in every space, it means that in the future, if they want to make some of those spaces into hybrid learning, they can just add a microphone, add in a camera, and the infrastructure's already there.
You seem to have a very intimate knowledge of this installation. I'm assuming that you were on site, or you helped program, or you have some kind of connection to this.
Yeah, a little, not quite like on site. I mean, the guys that did the programming there done an amazing job, but we did help out. Q-SYS UK helped out a bit with some specifics. So they had another product that they use quite heavily, which is the Wolf Vision Synapse. If you've worked in higher education, it's a really popular product for sharing and BYOD and recording and all kinds of things. But they wanted to fully control it from their Q-SYS UCIs on their Q-SYS touch panels. So we work with Wolf Vision, we work with their API, which can do a whole load of different things, and we just wrote some Lua code in Q-SYS that enables that to happen. And since then, it's been really cool. This has been kind of like a Halo project for higher education in the UK. That same approach has been rolled out to lots of others. And for us, we've done a load of cool stuff with Wolf Vision, right? We've got a plugin coming out. They've been running vCore on their Wolf Vision Synapse. So yeah, it's been a really good experience.